we honor this great country. We got some special guests to help us celebrate our 3rd year anniversary. We've got the Air Force Color Guard, the sharing your morning with us, Cars and Coffee Las Vegas. 2008 is when we actually started this. Jackie and I were at the Cars and Coffee in Irvine. We'd get 40, 50 enthusiasts will come out, the hardcore guys, of course, will have the good folks at Sansone Park Place. They're the ones who... So thank you very much for your service, and the Nellis Air Force Base Color Guard out here to
turn this way, man. God, yes,
pretty good.
Yep. It goes to my son. But your son can't wait. Well, he can drive anytime he wants. Hey, you.
Together. And of course, Matt Newton, he also helps us out whenever we're out on vacation and visiting other car shows. He puts computer repair, free diagnosis, no repair, no charge. Stuff on it. Fixing it up for you, as opposed to spending the big money. Nice gifts to give away. Just give us your email address. We'll take care of the rest. Jim Martin's been home in the garden. Still have your mother-in-law living in there with you. This is the showroom, air conditioned, of course. For $300 million, and to be, just come on by and read. Make sure you stop by and rally on them all. They're all for me. Both of them